Dude, Breaking Bad last night, am I right? It's August 13th, I'm Damon Hatfield, and here's your fix. Previously, we reported that a man going by DAE, I like those letters together, was trying to sell an alleged next-gen Xbox dev kit online. And crazier still, several developers have confirmed that it was indeed the real deal. But then, the strangest thing happened. He was actually successful. On Twitter, the man said, "I sold one of two I own. The other one wasn't really necessary to keep as a leg rest." The online auction attracted 43 bids from 18 bidders, with the winner spending $20,000 on the unit. So far, Microsoft hasn't gotten involved, but hell hath no fury like a Bill Gates scorned, so methinks we'll hear from them before long. Upsetting news for Sony gamers. PlayStation All-Stars Battle Royale has been delayed. It was originally scheduled to come out in all territories at the end of October, but it has been pushed back a bit. It will now be released on November 20th in North America for both PlayStation 3 and PlayStation Vita. That goes for Latin American territories as well, but no word yet on anywhere else. The top commenter on our IGN article, One Way Leeway, wrote, "Hopefully it's delayed so they can add Snake, Crash, and Spyro." Dare to dream, One Way Leeway. Hey, some 3DS games are coming out. Professor Layton and the Miracle Mask will puzzle gamers on October 28th. Paper Mario Sticker Star will be on store shelves November 11th. Epic Mickey Power of Illusion will appear on November 18th. And finally, Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon won't be frightening our wallets until sometime in the first half of 2013, as it's been delayed. There are also some other games coming out like Style Savvy and Sparkle Snapshots. So if you want to hear about those, the address below has the scoop. Scoop! As you may or may not have noticed, and I hope you did, Naomi was not here today. She will continue to not be here for the rest of the week, but never fear. I believe IGN Pro League's Kevin Naki will bring you the news tomorrow, and some other IGN folks will show up later on. Until next time, gamers, that was your fix for August 13th. I'm Damon Hatfield, and be sure to get your fix anytime online here at IGN.
3, 2, 1, fight! Oh, I'm a Japan cat. Oh, I brought green onions, Nathan Drake. Ah,
That's great. You're racist. You're racist.
Hey, knock it off, you two. Let's be friends. Oh God, my hair. I'm so bald and